Hi guys, it's me, Rowan. I'm going to be doing a video about slime. So the ingredients are a spoon and a bowl. A bowl, something to mix it, and a bowl. Only with suave shampoo. It can be any flavor. Let's see now. So I added this much. It's a lot. Really, it's a lot. Okay, we're just gonna mix it. It's only with suave, okay? Gosh, we're gonna only mix it. Okay, it's bubbles. Mix it.
No, it's not.
Okay, so mixing it. Go grab some salt.
Sure.
So yeah, we're making slime at my grandma's house. I don't really have that ingredient, but if it cuts, I'm sorry, because it always does that. It just cuts the video. I don't know, where is it? Tell Brian. Where's the salt? We need salt. Okay, so it is being goopy. Let me just touch it. So yeah. Ooh, it's becoming slime.
Oh, it's becoming slime. Oh, it's becoming slime. Oh.
Ooh.
Oh. You know how you do it?
Oh, like that. Then you mix it. So we're using salt. Sorry if I only said with suave. Cutie. Her name is Cece.
She's fat.
Mixing it. Ah, Cece. I scared her. It's slime. Oh, yeah. Hey, stop.
Hi.
Didn't touch it. Nothing.
Stop.
I'm gonna use it. I'm using a laundry.
This is what Danielito said. Choncha.